San Andreas. South. Dust. Engines. This is Invidor, the first bike from Weller-Maddox. Born not in an office, but in a garage. Built on welding, on gasoline, on stubborn hands. 1952, John Weller, an engineer, a veteran of the Korean War. Quiet, cold. A man who understood metal better than words. Frankie Maddox, the wild one. Loved speed, hated rules. The first in Bolingbroke to tear down a Hexer and rebuild it with tank and truck parts. They met by accident. Weller was fixing a generator. Maddox was welding a front fork from a cement mixer. One was the mind, the other, the fire. The idea was simple. Let's build a bike, a beast with brains. That's what Invidor is. Heavy, loud, shaped like a bike, but with the heart of a freight train. Yellow like a warning, loud like a gunshot, solid like the will of someone who rides with no destination, just north on an empty road. No custom textures, only vanilla, balanced handling, optimized sound, ready for role play. Real on the road, this is the first motorcycle from Weller-Maddox, and it's only the beginning. Invidor, built not for the showroom, but for the ride. Oazys Studio, with respect.